Welcome to the Totally Honest Cooking Show. I'm Mark. Today we're doing the Juicy Lucy. Yes, it's regional hamburger time. The Juicy Lucy was invented in the 1950s at either Matt's Bar or the 5-8 Club in Minneapolis, Minnesota. They argue over who invented it. Legend has it at Matt's Bar that a customer came in 1954, asked for a burger with a piece of cheese cooked inside it, took a bite out of it and said, "Man, that's one Juicy Lucy," and it's been on the menu ever since. Anyway, today we're gonna make one. And like always, when I do burgers, I'm starting with the bun prep because, you know, burgers cook pretty quick. So I'm starting with some butter on my cast iron. Gonna let that melt. While that's going, I'm gonna cut down this onion. So step one is gonna be saute our onions and toast our buns. Easy enough, right? Right. Okay. Get that a nice little rub. The butter's kind of melty. Just do it this way. Okay, and once that's down, I'm just gonna toss my onions in there, because why not? Note that if for some reason you have to be gluten-free buns do toast faster than regular buns. Keep an eye on them. I've even had restaurants mess that up. But yeah, keep an eye on it. I've cut 2 equally sized chunks of beef, and I'm gonna see what I can do. I might have to adjust this. Ball between wax paper. If you have a burger press, use that. This will work. Just a burger weight. And we want 2 equally sized patties. Then we're gonna fold our cheese. Place it right in the middle. I got extra thick Kraft singles here. If you can cram more in, feel free. Okay, make a second ball. Smash it down, about the same. Bring it back to your wax paper. Now, you don't want to press, you want to smear. Smear. The idea is to link the burgers together, right? Right. Okay, ready to dope my bun. Toppings go on the bottom. Mayo. Classic 4 pickles. Onions. You'll do chips or fries on the side, salt at the bottom. Yes, I know I made it too big. Now, I definitely made this too big, especially given that my buns aren't up to snuff for this task, but that's okay. We're gonna get a good sear on the bottom, and then we're gonna flip it. Okay, once you flip it and you got good color, you're gonna take a toothpick and you're gonna poke a hole in the middle of it. Let it off gas a little bit. You might need to turn the fan on. You do want a ripping hot skillet for this. Okay, let's see how we did. Let's see if I did it right or whether I'm trying this again tomorrow. A little more rare than I'd prefer, but okay for a first effort. We meet again, Internet. I didn't expect to be back at this exact spot so soon. Actually, this was quite delicious. The only thing that ruined it is the fact that a bird fell into my vent hood's fan right after I ate the first half of the burger. I assumed that I'd be making another one tomorrow because it's still a little undercooked, like right here. But it was actually quite tasty, and I enjoyed it quite a bit. I have no idea if they'll have time to fix my vent fan tomorrow. So we're just going to go ahead and assume that this is the best we're getting for right now. It was very tasty. I do recommend it. Like, subscribe, click that little bell, and I'll see you next Wednesday. Oh, you can't make this stuff up. Bye.